Well, good morning. Good morning. I need to turn some lights on in here. Open some blinds. Should do it. That should give us enough light. All right. Well, good morning. Good morning. I'm home. I am going to go fly with my local friends and pilots and co-pilots, and I'm just going to go fly with all the local people, man. I think they're going to have like a track day, so I'm going to go down and do a little bit more track practice, and I think I'm going to take the Hawk 5. Yeah, because I changed the receiver in my Hawk 5 today, or last night. It was today, but the receiver didn't work when I received this, so I had to change it. Hopefully I can fly it today. I haven't got to fly it. I had a different receiver in there on a different transmitter, but now I got me an FR Sky replacement. This thing is super light, man. It don't weigh nothing. And I'm gonna go fly. I'm gonna go riff.
This one of them songs that you put on when you on the interstate and feeling all alone. When everything is wrong, you gotta hold on. And when your back's against the wall, remember, be strong. And the band plays on, and the band plays on, and the band plays on. And the band plays on, 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 and the band plays on. I've been through plenty shit that should've made me weaken. Somehow I rose through the ashes, unscarred and strengthened. I put it on my father, no matter how hard this life can get. I'm gonna rock this son of a bitch, and I'm no longer taking any shit. I'm stressed out, and you are too. Gotta pay bills, and you do too. I'm high as fuck. If you only knew how hard it is being this damn cool. Always on call, my phone will start ringing. I need a bar right now, what I'm thinking. What is that you say? What'll I have? A crown rolling coke is what I am drinking. Newports don't work, I'm gonna throw words. I know I need to quit again, but soon as I try to go a day or two, I'm caught up in some shit again. I can't win, but I'm getting close. No time now to turn back around. As long as the band keeps playing on, I'll always fucking put it down. Songs that you put on when you on the interstate and feeling all alone. When everything is wrong, you gotta hold on. And when your back's against the wall, remember, be strong. And the band plays on, and the band plays on, and the band plays on, and plays on, and the band plays on, and the band plays on, yeah, the band plays on, and plays on, and the band plays on. The band plays on, the band plays on. But meanwhile in the hood, the gram weighs on. Feel like Nelly when he had the Band-Aid on. I'm hot, but the radio don't play the damn song. So I just keep on making music here without a deal. I make that music for the people out there popping pills. The ones that smoke and skrill, that's barely getting by. They living check to check, some days they wish they die. So we give them songs that they can bump and ride and listen to. Shit that helps them get it through, help them with their issues too. Fucked up in their head, I swear that I have got them issues too. Never knew so many people share the same point of view. Songs that you put on when you on the interstate and feeling all alone. When everything is wrong, you gotta hold on. And when your back's against the wall, remember, be strong. And the band plays on, and the band plays on, and the band plays on, and plays on, and the band plays on, and the band plays on, and the band plays on, and plays on, and the band plays on. As long as the band is playing, I'll be front and center. I've always considered myself a sinner and a winner, but all it takes is a chain of events to make me crumble. I think after my pops passed, he took a piece of humble. Now I'm cutthroat to the bone hole, play to the beat of my own drum. I swear I'll choke the next person that asks me, let me hold up. Not fed up, I'm on the road, I'm doing shows, I ain't going home. On I-40 in the fast lane, trying to get away from all the wrong. It's catching up, I'm driving faster, it ain't getting the best of me. Only reason I made it this far is I have the recipe. I know what I'm doing 10 years in, I'm only bidding a little bit. If shit really get bad, you'll know, cause I'll fuck around and kill a bitch. Songs that you put on when you on the interstate and feeling all alone. When everything is wrong, you gotta hold on. And when your back's against the wall, remember, be strong. And the band plays.
This is Shaun from HealingFPV. This is Adam, another pilot from HealingFPV. And today, they're going to be racing on Shaun's design track. Thumbs up for good video. 3, 2, 1, go! sitting there. Look at these guys. They ain't fucking moving. Little assholes. Ah, you got it. Don't go back. You went through it. No, you were on the underside. You went through. Shaun, you're gonna be coming up on traffic here. One person you're racing. You're about to lap him. You're one. Right now. About to happen. Oh yeah. Going down in the tunnel. In the tunnel of doom. Oh, they made it through. Nice pass. Oh, nice pass again. Oh, another nice pass. Dang, tight through the chicane. Woo! Oh! All right, let's go see what the damages are. Unplug. Nothing's broken and hanging. Nothing's broken and hanging, you guys. Hot motors, though. That's kind of a miracle. Did you guys see that shit? That was fucking crazy. You go, Shaun?
I never saw you.
You go, Adam.
I must have came down and sat on top. Yeah, came right down the front.
You guys see any damages? Doesn't look like anything on the surface there.
Some bone props.
Anybody lose video when you went down?
No.
Nice. Perfect.
Yeah, look at that. Chopped some props together.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right on. Good job.
And that's how midair happens when you're going the right direction. Make sure you're going the right fucking direction when you're on a track. If you're not, and you crash, it's a lot worse than that. Later, guys.
Check it out.